Master Glass.
Ayo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster back at ya with another video, and in this one we're doing part 2 of the studio update. As you can tell, we are inside a structure. How cool is that? The last time I showed you guys about 3-4 weeks ago, I had just done the cement slab, and now we've got the studio built. So now, technically I'm waiting on an electrician to come within the next couple days. And I'm going to begin to get all the sockets and everything wired to the house, get this thing powered up and going, and then I can do the insulation, the drywall, paint, do all of that. But I'm going to step outside and show you what the roof looks like. That's what we're talking about. So this whole project has taught me so much. Yeah, because I had a hard time deciding what color we were going to do. Went back and forth with a lot of options, so many color swatches, so many decisions. We definitely landed on the right color choice. I feel like it's super mature, if that makes sense. Like we're a glass studio, we're blowing glass in here. Very, very cool. Huge shout out to the mama for helping me paint this whole thing, getting it done. We're gonna touch up a few more spots, that'll be cool. As well, this is my door and the drywall that they dropped off. I went and picked up all this insulation. This is what I'm gonna be. It's got plastic wrapped, so it helps for like sound insulation because I'm gonna be bumping the music. I'm gonna be going. So yeah, this door is really cool. I'm gonna paint it. I really love the color that we chose and the accent. So, and I even got a cute little window. Look at that. That's so cute. That's so awesome. So now that we've got the walls and everything's going, let me kind of like walk you around and just kind of give you an idea of what everything's gonna look like. So we're gonna push out the door, and the door's gonna go right about here. So we're gonna build in the frame and have that section right there. Maybe have enough room to do a small table. Right here is gonna be the gaming and workstation. I'm gonna have my triple monitors right here. I'm gonna have my gaming desk, and I'm actually working on building a I'm working on building a PC case, I'm working on building a desk PC, not a desktop PC, basically building my PC into the desk. So that's gonna be really cool. I couldn't find a lot of videos on the internet to help me on it, so maybe I'll do a decent one on how I do it. So I think I'm going to either stop my gaming table here or continue the L. What I'd like to do is a small seating, like a love seat right here, because right above that is going to be the AC. I've got a glass case, so that's either going to go over here, because the door will stop right here, so I might have a glass case there, or I might put the glass case here. Along this wall, I'm gonna put the TV just for everybody to watch whenever they come over and hang out or play video games on, as well as that's what I'll put my Twitch stream on, so I can just like look over my shoulder and see what's going on with the chat. Along this table is gonna be all my tools, like all my wet saw, my Dremel, my facet grinder, my sander. So I'm gonna try to fit those tools in as compactly, but like neatly as well. And we're gonna continue off into the corner, and I'm gonna do my kiln somewhere in this section, but the rest of this area is just gonna be all glass blowing. On the left side, like right below the peak, that's where the exhaust fan is gonna go. So I'm gonna try to get the air pointed down, because like cool air sinks and hot air rises, so we'll try to get that worked out. And the AC I got, it suggested that I got an 8,000 BTU, but I got a 10,000 BTU. So we pumping in the cold air, and then we've got a plenty big enough exhaust fan, and then I got my cute little window. To wrap all that up, I'm gonna do like an LED strip around the edge, and then like a cheap little surround sound system. Get shit rocking in here. So yeah guys, y'all basically can kind of envision it with me, because I'm working as I go, and this is the only corner I'm undecided on, you know. How am I gonna do it? If I'm gonna continue it, or I'm gonna break it, and if I can find something before I finish building, then I'll probably do a little seating section right there. Yeah, because this structure, my old studio over there is 8x8, but it feels completely small. This is 12x8, so 50% the size. But I mean, there's so much movability, there's so much room. The desk I'm not gonna make super deep, so there's gonna be a decent amount of room. So when I want to do other videos or do other things, you know, I'm not just limited, like I've got all of this space taken up or something. So I think that's gonna be really cool. I've thought about how I want the layout, and I think doing a horseshoe layout is gonna be the best way, for me at least. So doing the roof, I had no clue truly how difficult it was going to be, because yeah, being on the roof, Texas hot sun, hammering down roofing shingles definitely taught me a lot. And I'm super proud to have said that me and my dad built this together, that we planned it all out, that we're following through on it. It took me a little longer than I anticipated, but nevertheless, it's going up. It is up, and pretty quickly I'm actually going to be able to move in and start blowing glass and playing games and live streaming with you guys, because that is my end goal, that is my end result, is to bring you guys in on a day-to-day basis with what I do with my glass and what I do with my free time, because I'm a very creative person. I'm multifaceted, and I don't, the idea that glass has given me is just freedom in the ability to do what I want with that medium. I don't know, like, everybody has self-doubt, everybody has those feelings, but this is something that I found that has taught me to believe in myself. That's how I've come up with the slogan, never stop evolving, to continue to push. And I never want to limit myself to one thing, because I'm very musically inclined. I'm into videography, I like cars, I'm building my own studio by hand, so it's like, I don't just blow glass. And that's another reason I wanted to make the YouTube videos, just document everything that I'm doing over time, and just show you guys, just to inspire you, whether you want to open a salon for hair, or you want to own a mechanic shop, or you want to blow glass. I want to give you that inspiration to do what you want, to believe in yourself, and to follow through on it. Because every step of the way, you know, you'll have self-doubt. I have self-doubt, and I have to tell myself, no, never stop evolving, because we are standing inside of my new studio. And I'm gonna look back at this video years from now and just be like, wow, look how much fun I've had, look how many collabs, look how many like pieces I've made and bonds and like memories. So yeah, ground level, we're here, guys. Other than that, I'm probably gonna throw in a time lapse. I really did try to video and like document what I'm doing, but because truthfully I don't know what I'm doing, I've had to give it 100%, 120% of my attention and effort, and just trying to video while doing something new that I'm not familiar with is it's definitely a challenge. But I took some time lapses of me and my dad putting up the actual walls. Doing the roofing shingles would have been a great time lapse, but I missed out on that. And yeah, next the AC and the fan goes in as well when the electrician gets here. So other than that, guys. I'll probably wrap up the video here. Definitely keep an eye out for a couple new videos. I pretty much have a video for everybody. I'm just doing fun things, trying to video it. So keep an eye out for all the new stuff. Like this video, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I think most of my traffic, all my followers from Instagram have started following my YouTube channel. But if you just find me randomly on YouTube, make sure you smash that subscribe button and find me on Instagram at Grand_Master_Glass. Grand_Master_Glass. I'll have it linked in the description down below. And other than that, guys, remember, never stop evolving.
Grand_Master Glass.